My name is Jack Simpson. I'm Director of Generation and Capacity Planning with Toronto Hydro. Innovation is key. It helps us move towards some of those productivity and reliability and cost goals that are set ahead of us, and it helps us improve as a business. Hydrostor is a startup company rooted in Mars in Ontario here, which we have been working with over the last 4 to 5 years. Their technology involves compressed air in an underwater storage accumulator. And this has the potential for much lower cost energy storage. And its capacity is 660 kilowatts for less than half an hour, but it has showcased this technology. The Hydrostor pilot has shown us we can make improvements on the off-the-shelf equipment that's used. For example, the heat recovery is an important piece in making the project efficient, and that has been enhanced through the pilot operation. The Hydrostor team is working to balance innovation with affordability, and the way they're approaching that is to de-risk the technology through the process. And so they start with off-the-shelf equipment, and they make the financiers, the utility, all the stakeholders comfortable with that technology and use it in the project in a unique way. The Hydrostor project has a number of advantages, and one in particular is the low environmental impact. This is a very benign technology. The working fluid is air, and the structures that are under the lake are in fact marine habitat, and so it tends to increase fish habitat and biodiversity under the lake. Toronto Hydro's approach for innovation is to collaborate with other parties and bring projects forward. What we're seeking to have are direct benefits for our grid and our operation, and so we're looking for those applied projects rather than pure research. And the way we participate typically is hosting a site or providing access to our electrical system and providing some in-kind engineering support. We have a project underway with Ecamion and Ryerson, and it involves putting energy storage in pole-top locations. We believe there are benefits to the system and to the customers of locating that storage very close to the load set. One is that we can deal with problems directly, power quality, congestion, where some of those diverse resources and loads exist. Energy storage is an example of a real innovation for Toronto Hydro. In this case, we can use it for a number of benefits. One is for the customer in improving power quality and accommodating renewables and managing congestion. But there's a larger issue that Toronto Hydro is facing, and that's in replacing our aging wires infrastructure and increasing capacity. We can use energy storage to defer conventional infrastructure in some cases. The research that we've been involved with shows that the consumer across Canada really has limited knowledge on energy storage, and we think this is an area where awareness and education would improve their understanding. The benefits to the system could be profound, and if energy storage is taken up on a large volume by consumers, it has potential for significant grid impact. And so helping consumers understand the right time to use the resource and the way pricing and peak demands work is useful in advancing this technology.